3 foods to eat to quickly gain weight and muscles. Gaining weight and muscles requires a combination of proper nutrition and exercise. Consuming a balanced diet that is rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats is essential for building muscle mass. Here are some foods that can help you gain weight and muscles quickly. 1. Protein-rich foods. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. Consuming protein-rich foods can help you build muscle mass quickly. Some protein-rich foods include chicken breast, turkey breast, fish, salmon, tuna, tilapia, lean beef, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, whey protein powder. 2. Carbohydrate-rich foods. Carbohydrates provide energy for the body and are essential for muscle growth. Consuming carbohydrate-rich foods can help you gain weight quickly. Some carbohydrate-rich foods include brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, oats, whole wheat bread, fruits, bananas, apples, berries, vegetables, broccoli, spinach, carrots. 3. Healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production and overall health. Consuming healthy fats can help you gain weight and build muscle mass. Some healthy fat-rich foods include avocado, nuts, almonds, cashews, peanuts, seeds, chia, flax, pumpkin, olive oil, coconut oil, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel. Other foods that can help you gain weight and muscles quickly include milk, cheese, peanut butter, hummus, protein bars. It is important to note that consuming these foods alone will not help you gain weight and muscles quickly. You need to combine these foods with a proper exercise routine to see results. Consult a nutritionist or a fitness expert to create a personalized meal plan and workout routine that suits your body type and fitness goals.